Good morning. Today we'll be discussing about the four laws of ecology and the ecological succession. Okay. So these are the four laws of ecology. It is formulated by a physicist and ecologist, Barry Commoner. Uh, he is the founder of modern environmental movement, and Commoner was among the world's best-known ecologists. So according to him, there are four laws of ecology. First is everything is connected to everything else. Humans and other species are connected, dependent on a number of other species. So this indicates how ecosystems are complex and interconnected. There is one ecosphere for all living organisms, and what affects one affects all. So next, everything must go somewhere. No matter what you do, no matter what you use, it has to go somewhere. For example, when you burn wood, it doesn't disappear. It turns into smoke, which rises into the air, and ash, which falls back down to the earth. So there is no waste in nature. There is no a way to which things can be thrown. Any waste produced in one ecological process is recycled in one another, or recycled in another. In nature, there is no final waste. Matter and energy are preserved, and the waste produced in one ecological process is recycled in another. Next is nature knows best. Like it says, nature knows best. As much as you think it might have a place by repeating it, you're submitting the fumes into the air and into your lungs. Humankind has fashioned technology to improve our nature, but human change in natural system is likely to be detrimental to the system. So our nature always knows best. So next, the fourth one is there is no such thing as free lunch. Everything you do must have a reason behind it. For example, a class pizza party. In order to win the party, you have to fill out the survey and submit it back to the teacher. This law basically means you have to do something in order to get something in return. So this four laws of ecology warns that every gain is won at some cost because our global ecosystem is connected as a whole. Any impact or extracted from nature by human effort must be replaced. There is no avoidance of this price and delay, only creates ecological disruption and the biodiversity we are by diversity loss we are witnessing now. So let's move on to the ecological succession. So ecological succession is a process by which an ecosystem recovers from some abiotic disaster. An example of a some abiotic disaster is a natural disaster, volcanic eruption, earthquake, a flood. So there are stages. At each stage, there are distinct species. Primary succession has distinct species and also with secondary, so they are not distinct, the same. So primary succession, the ecosystem suffered a total loss and species from the outside are recolonizing. So while the secondary succession, the ecosystem was disturbed but not totally wiped out. So its own members can recover the disturbed space. So see the difference between the primary and the secondary. Primary is there's a total loss, so there's a bare land or um, um, walang species sa area, bare lang siya talaga. Bare rock or bare land. So while the secondary, this ecosystem was disturbed. So hindi siya totally wiped out. It's not totally wiped out. So it can be recovered and some species are still there. Not like unlike primary succession is bare land. So yan. So this pag walang mga plants, yan, primary succession. And then, I mean, primary succession is yung process in which from bare land, papunta siya sa nagkaroon na siya ng mga trees. And then sa secondary succession, there are still species there. It is only disturbed. So, we already get the difference between the primary succession and the secondary succession. Okay, before your activity. So this is your activity for today. So instructions and activity. So create a reaction paper about the four laws of ecology, how you are paano kayo na-relate or any reaction about the four laws of ecology by Barry Commoner. So this is your quiz. You can post it. So you just read it, just post it and answer it. Number 2, then number 3. So your output would be explanation or reaction about the that's not explanation, that is reaction. So your reaction A, reaction about the four laws of ecology, and then B, write quiz, and then under that is, or below that is 1, 2, 3, and then the letter of your answer. So letters only. So I'll be expecting reaction paper and then your answer sa quiz ninyo. So you will upload that or you will submit that on our Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.